Hi there cubers, it's Belgian Speedcuber here, and today I'm going to show you the basics of the superflip pattern. Let's get into it. So the basics you need to know about the superflip pattern are M slices and U. So for this pattern you do M, U, M, U, M, U, M, U 4 times. Then you rotate this cube like this, and then the same 4 times. 2, 3, 4. And then you rotate the cube again like this, and then the same algorithm 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you have it. Super flip pattern where all the edges are flipped. Now to undo this you have to do the same things. So M, U, 2, 3, 4. Turn it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you have it. This is how to do and undo the superflip pattern. I hope you like this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I also have an Instagram page at Belgian Speedcuber. Also, if you want to purchase this cube, you can do it at Cubes UK. I'll leave a link in the description. I also have a discount code Belgian SC5. If you put that in at checkout, it gives you an additional 5% off your order. Okay, this was it. Thanks for watching. Belgian Speedcuber out.